Hazrat Amr bin Abu Amr, the slave freed by Muttalib bin Abdullah bin Hantab, heard Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu say, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked Hazrat Abu Talha radiyallahu anhu to give him one of his sons. So Hazrat Abu Talha radiyallahu anhu, mounting me behind him on a mount, set out. So I would serve Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Whenever he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would dismount at any place, I would very often hear him invoking, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I seek refuge with you from melancholy, grief, incapability, sluggishness, niggardliness, cowardliness, running into heavy debt, and being overpowered by men. I continued serving him until we returned from Khaybar, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam was also coming back with Hazrat Safiya, the daughter of Huyay radiyallahu anhu, whom he sallallahu alaihi wasallam had chosen for himself. I was witnessing that he sallallahu alaihi wasallam had screened her by making a circle around her with a sheet or a blanket. When we reached at Sehba, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam got his prepared and placed it on a leather meals mat, and then sent me to invite the people. So the people consumed the food, and it was her wedding feast. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then proceeded until the Mount Uhud came into his sight. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, This mountain has a love for us, and we have love for it. Thereafter Madina Munawwara became visible. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I make what is in between these two mountains a sanctuary, as Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam made Makkah Mukarramah a sanctuary. O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, bless their mud and saw units for measurement for them. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6363.